No big deal, just taking a private 747. This is how he does it now. Only 747s private. I've never even heard of this, but whatever. So, you know, just our room for the long flight. Pretty insane. So this is what a private 747 is like, you guys. I've never been on one before, so I'm like, oh my God, there's bedrooms everywhere. This is no big deal, just like a chill room. This is like endless. We actually brought our trainer on the flight since it's so long, so we can work out here. This is crazy. This is where we're working out, Melissa. You got the weights and everything. This is our gym right here.
Flips, squats.
This is pretty crazy. You guys, the hallway on the plane. Look, this is for lunges. Team Adidas. But wait, there's more. It's a double-decker. Cute. How cute. There's even a little dining room table. You guys, this is insane. Let's go. So this is what Kanye meant when he said he wanted his office in the sky.